Extreme heat waves put every part of a home to the test, and patio doors are no exception. Because they include large glass panels and are often located in high-traffic living areas, patio doors can either help maintain indoor comfort or make heat problems worse. For homeowners in Austin, understanding how patio doors perform during extreme heat is key to keeping living spaces comfortable and usable all summer long. Why patio doors are vulnerable during heat waves. Patio doors typically feature more glass than standard exterior doors. Glass naturally transfers heat faster than solid materials, which can allow outdoor heat to enter the home if the door isn't designed or installed properly. In Austin homes, extreme heat waves can turn poorly performing patio doors into major sources of discomfort. Rooms near the door may feel hotter, indoor systems may run longer, and temperature differences between rooms can become noticeable. Managing heat gain through large glass panels during heat waves. Sunlight hitting patio door glass can cause indoor temperatures to rise quickly. This is especially noticeable in living rooms, dining areas, and open concept spaces where patio doors are common. Well-designed patio doors help limit how much heat passes through the glass. For Austin homeowners, this means living areas stay more comfortable even during the hottest parts of the day, without blocking natural light entirely. Maintaining comfortable living spaces near the door. One of the biggest concerns during extreme heat is comfort near patio doors. If heat builds up around the door, furniture placement becomes limited and rooms may feel unbalanced. Patio doors that perform well during Austin heat waves help maintain consistent comfort near the glass. Seating areas remain usable, and rooms don't feel noticeably warmer just because of their proximity to the door. Reducing strain on indoor systems. When patio doors allow excessive heat inside, indoor systems must work harder to compensate. This increased workload can lead to higher energy use and uneven cooling. Patio doors that limit heat transfer help Austin homeowners reduce this strain. Indoor systems can maintain comfort more efficiently, even during prolonged heat waves, without constantly cycling. Supporting consistent indoor temperatures. Heat waves often reveal weak points in a home's envelope. If patio doors don't perform well, temperature differences between rooms become more pronounced. High-performing patio doors help Austin homes maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Living areas connected to patios feel more balanced with the rest of the home, reducing hot spots and discomfort. Preventing heat buildup without blocking light. Natural light is one of the main reasons homeowners choose patio doors. During heat waves, however, too much direct sunlight can become a problem. Patio doors that perform well during Austin's extreme heat allow homeowners to enjoy daylight without overwhelming indoor spaces. Bright interiors remain comfortable rather than overheated. Protecting interior comfort during prolonged heat waves don't always last a day or two, they can stretch on for weeks. During prolonged heat, small comfort issues become major frustrations. Patio doors that maintain their performance over time help Austin homeowners stay comfortable day after day. Reduced heat gain makes indoor living more manageable during extended periods of extreme temperatures. Improving everyday usability during hot weather. When heat near patio doors becomes overwhelming, homeowners often avoid those areas entirely. This limits how the home can be used during summer months. Well-performing patio doors help Austin homeowners continue using living spaces as intended. Rooms remain functional, comfortable, and enjoyable even during peak heat conditions. Long-term comfort beyond one heat wave. Patio doors that perform well during extreme heat don't just help once, they continue providing benefits year after year. For Austin homeowners, this long-term performance means fewer seasonal comfort complaints and a home that feels better prepared for future heat waves. A smart feature for hot climate living. Extreme heat is a reality, but discomfort doesn't have to be. Patio doors play a larger role in indoor comfort than many homeowners realize. For homeowners in Austin, patio doors that perform well during extreme heat waves help limit heat gain, support consistent indoor temperatures, and reduce strain on indoor systems. The result is a home that stays more comfortable, usable, and enjoyable, even when the heat outside is at its worst.